Welcome back to Relocation. Today, we're diving deep into the art of packing with our ultimate packing guide, moving essentials and life hacks.
Imagine this, you're surrounded by boxes, the tape dispenser has gone rogue, and you can't find the cat. Sounds familiar? We're here to turn that chaos into an organized, efficient moving experience. So, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more moving tips and tricks. Now, let's get packing. First things first, let's talk supplies. Packing might seem daunting, but it's a breeze with the right tools. You'll need sturdy boxes in various sizes, heavy-duty packing tape, bubble wrap, packing paper, and permanent markers for labeling. Specialized containers like wardrobe boxes for clothes and dish barrels for kitchenware are also a must. Investing in quality materials is key to protecting your belongings during the move. With your essential supplies ready, let's break them down. Sturdy boxes, various sizes to fit all your belongings. Ensure they're strong and have secure lids. Heavy-duty packing tape, essential for sealing boxes securely. Bubble wrap, perfect for protecting fragile items. Packing paper, use it to fill empty spaces and cushion items. Permanent markers, for clear labeling of each box. Specialized containers, wardrobe boxes for clothes and dish barrels for kitchenware are incredibly helpful. Now, onto the delicate matter of fragile items. They need extra care. Wrap glassware, dishes, and ornaments in bubble wrap or packing paper. Utilize dish packing cells for added protection. Fill any gaps in the boxes with crumpled paper or foam peanuts to prevent movement. Always label these boxes as fragile and indicate which side should be facing up. To ensure your fragile items travel safely, remember these tips. Pack them in small boxes to minimize movement. Place them in the center of the box, surrounded by packing material to avoid crushing. Use dish packing cells for glassware and dishes for extra protection. Fill gaps in the box with crumpled paper or foam peanuts to prevent shifting. Label the boxes as fragile and mark which side should be up to alert movers. Moving on to efficiency in packing. Start by decluttering, donate, sell, or discard items you no longer need. Pack room by room, labeling each box with its contents and the destined room. Use clothes, towels, or bedding to wrap items, which saves on bubble wrap and reduces boxes. To pack like a pro, keep these strategies in mind. Pack heavy items in small boxes to prevent shifting. Light items go in large boxes to minimize the number of boxes. Fill empty spaces with packing material to prevent item movement. Label each box with contents and room destination for easy unpacking. Keep a list of all your belongings to track everything during the move. Let's switch gears to some life hacks that will make your move smoother. Keep clothes on hangers and wrap them in garbage bags for quick unpacking. Use suitcases for heavy items like books, the wheels make moving easier. Cover liquid container openings with cling film before screwing the cap back on to prevent leaks. Take photos of your electronics setup for easy reconnection. Pack an essentials box with immediate needs like toiletries, clothes, snacks, and tools. Finally, you've arrived at your new home. Start with your essentials box upon arrival. Then, unpack one room at a time, beginning with the kitchen and bedrooms. Unpacking systematically helps reduce overwhelm and makes your new place feel like home quicker. As you settle into your new space, remember these tips. Begin with boxes labeled with essential items. Take your time unpacking, no need to rush. Ask friends or family for help if needed. Label each box clearly to find items easily. Take breaks to avoid getting overwhelmed. Enjoy the process of starting a new chapter in your life. And there you have it. With these tips and hacks, packing for your move can be organized, efficient, and even enjoyable. Preparation is the key to a successful, stress-free move. We hope you found this guide helpful. For more moving tips and advice, stay tuned to Relocation. Happy packing, and we'll see you in the next video.